Evaporation. We can separate common salt dissolved in water by evaporation. Seawater contains a lot of salt. Is mostly obtained by evaporating. So salt is obtained by evaporating. The salt that we use in our food is mostly obtained by evaporating. Next, how can we get pure water from the impure water? By the method of distillation. Distillation is a method of obtaining pure liquid from a solution. The solution is heated so that the liquid evaporates. The vapors are then cooled. The condense to give the pure liquid. Distilled water is used in laboratories, is obtained in the way a special apparatus is used to get distilled water. The apparatus, the stand, round bottom flask, Bunsen burner, a wire gauze and Lewis condenser and the flask. Your water impurities you have to take in round bottom flask. The water impurities you have to heat by using Bunsen's burner. When you have to heat the water impurities, water vapor goes out. As the temperature increases, the water vapor moves in this tube. As the temperature increases, the water vapor will move in a tube. The tube will have a water vapors. The condenser, this one is a condenser. The condenser is also called it as Lewis condenser. The condenser is also called it as Lewis condenser. The condenser cools the water vapor. The condenser cools the water vapor. The water vapor will cool and move in a tube and it will get water droplets and to form a distilled water in a flask. The water vapors, they will be moving to form a water droplets to form distilled water in a flask. This is a flask to have distilled water. Next, condenser. As the water move in a condenser. So this is a condenser. This is a cylindrical shape. The condenser is a cylindrical shape. Water move in a condenser. So it cools the water vapors in this tube. In this tube have a water vapor. It cools the water vapor in this condenser. In this condenser cools the water vapor. Hot water move outwards. To hot water it will be move out and the cooling water it will be move in a distilled flask and to form a distilled water. This process we call it as distillation. Next, separating liquids. Take a beaker of water and add a few drops of oil in it. And the mixture you have to stir it. Stir the mixture. Stir the mixture. You can see two layers, water in the bottom and oil in the top. You can see two layers. You can see separate mixture. This one you call it as invisible. What do you call this one? Invisible. Next, take water in a beaker and add milk on it. So you can stir the solution. this is a miscible because you can see only one mixture. It is a mixture of milk and water. So this one we call it as miscible. Next, solubility. Take a sugar and water, add a sugar in a water and stir it. Water and sugar. Sugar dissolved in water. So water and sugar dissolves in water. This is called a solution. Sugar and water in water. This is called a solution because sugar will dissolve in water. A water is called a solvent and the sugar dissolves in the water. No, that one you call it a solute. A solute and a solvent together to form a solution. A solute and a solvent together to form a solution. A water is a universal solvent because a large number of particles can be dissolved in water. So that's why we call it as water is a universal solvent. Next, importance of water as a solvent. It is because of property of dissolving a large number of substances than water. It is essential for our life. Water is essential for our life. Our body cannot absorb food substances unless they are soluble in water. Our body cannot dissolve, cannot absorb food substances unless they are soluble in water. Plants can absorb nutrients from the soil only if they are soluble in water. They can only soluble in water, plants can absorb the nutrients. So children, today we learn about evaporation, distillation